Hello, my name is Avinash. Oh, and I'm here to demonstrate to you the Veritas onboarding dashboard powered by AWS. First, we click on this button to start the onboarding. Then we've already given you forms to fill out, starting with Microsoft. The reason why we went with this form is because this form represents some of the most widely used KYC form features. So then when we actually submit this application, our AI model that's all being hosted on AWS is going to tell you whether or not this company is trustable or not. Obviously, trusted companies have a lot of signatures that they have. For example, whether they have a website or not, whether they have a SSL certificate, whether they have email deliverability or domain reputation. But these are pretty basic. What we should also check for is whether or not they have a reliable payment history, whether or not they have any legal battles. And Microsoft is a pretty safe bet, but now we're going to go to an organization that's less safe. Theranos. Theranos was convicted of lying to their shareholders and actually overinflating their image. So let's actually see what our model says about Theranos. Obviously, it quantified Theranos as a risk. Even though it only says 46%, we believe this is fine because the analyst ultimately has a threshold on a value they'll accept. And if you look down, they have a 100% legal risk score because they were convicted of essentially being a Ponzi scheme. Now, if we start another company like Meta or Nestle, we also get heuristics about them. And each time it's a little different. If I turn on the debug mode, we can actually see the exact algorithm that our platform is actually using to quantify risks of these companies, thus allowing for KYCs to be validated in a quicker and a more expediting way for both customers and vendors. Thank you.